What's up, guys? So this is a car revealing video to my friends, family, etc. Just to people. And the first person you're going to see is Reagan. Woo! I don't know how she's gonna react because she kind of already guessed that I was getting a car. But we'll see. Okay. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Come meet her.
Isn't that your mom's car?
No. It's mine.
Got it?
Yeah. This is mine.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Here, go on the passenger side.
That's your mom's car?
No. My mom's car is a 2018.
What in the world?
It has Bluetooth. It has seat warmers. It has a steering wheel warmer. It has a sunroof, a moonroof actually. And yeah.
When did you get it?
I got it last week, but I had to give it to them so they could fix some stuff, and so I just got it today. And Riley knows about it.
What year is it?
2013.
Oh my god.
Hi, everyone here. Everyone here.
This is nice.
This is my car.
You still haven't taken that off.
I can't yet.
Oh, it's tinted.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Just a little reminder for you.
Come on in. Welcome to my crib.
My parents are gonna see this and be like, who the heck?
So, she has seat warmers.
Does it have air conditioned seats?
Air conditioned?
Yeah.
No.
You've never heard of that?
No.
Where it like blows AC out of the seat?
No. It also has a steering wheel warmer. She also has a backup camera.
Mm-hmm.
She also has these accessories.
Mm-hmm.
And then she's facing east right now.
Mm.
I tell everyone like where we're facing, cause like, yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Falcon. And yeah, this is the car.
Oh.
Okay, so hop in the passenger seat and I'll show you around my car.
As I fall.
Okay, so happy 1 year.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so it has seat warmers. It has a moonroof. A moonroof, not a sunroof. Okay? It has Bluetooth. It has an aux cord also, and it has a USB. Okay, and then it has these right here to where you have that one and you have that one. So you have two, and then there's a thingamajig right there, and then a push start, and then it has steering wheel warmer, and then we are facing east right now, and then we have garage door openers, and then there's a Caden.
Ooh. Kaden is natural. Hi,
Okay.
Kaden.
Hi, Caden.
Hey.
Okay. Anyway, it also comes with this sexy body. It has
Okay, it's time to leave. Let's go.
I mean, okay.
Just go.
Look at that